the biggest mistake that people often make after noticing the hair fall. Let's discuss. Hi everyone, this is Dr. Swati from Neuroots Bangalore. So today I'm gonna give an example of how a normal day at a hair transplant clinic looks like. So this is this conversation that keeps repeating in our clinical setup, which is like, Doctor, I'm facing too much of hair fall. Can you please suggest me some sort of, shampoo or a hair oil or a hair serum and etc. So a lot of people, what they do once they start to notice the hair fall, always remember hair fall is a symptom, it's not a disease. Okay, it is just showing or giving you a warning as to what could be the wrong in your system. Sometimes it is a scalp infection, sometimes it could be dandruff issue, or sometimes it could be genetic, or sometimes it could be hormonal imbalance, or etc. All right. So the moment you notice the hair fall, always make sure that please do not wait and keep guessing around as to what is wrong. And once you notice, please get a scalp examination done. And the successful treatment always depends on the right diagnosis. The moment we diagnose it, from there we can take it on. The challenging thing is, from the outside it can look very similar. I can get up to 2 patients complaining of the same hair fall, and both can have entirely different reasons. So first things first, get your basics right and get your blood work done. Come visit a clinical, setup. Get your scalp examination done. And if you're still confused as to how to take a step, please comment hair or scalp examination in our DMs and our team will help you throughout. Thank you and follow us for more.